Our week began very windy indeed. To find drills working on the wall beside the new ramp. On an altogether calmer Tuesday, new conduit could be seen, but there was little work apparent on the south finger. Later in the week, there was evidence of preparations for welding, but it seems that, for the time being, that operation has slowed down. Work to install lighting that will make the dock a safer place has not slowed down at all. On Tuesday it was noted that work was taking place on the switch installation behind the old passenger terminal. The work continued through much of the week. It's time to turn our attention to the week's major activity. This was the situation on Monday on the North Finger Dock. On Tuesday, the familiar dive team from ODS Marine arrived. It's never easy to follow dive work, but it's certainly clear that a diver was down and that whatever else he was doing, he assisted in installing a pump. On Wednesday, as gravel began to arrive, it seemed clear that whatever challenge was presented, it had been overcome. This was the situation by week's end. No update would be complete without mentioning all the work going into preparing the new passenger terminal for service. A strong team has been engaged all week on various aspects of the exterior work. There's no lack of work being done on the inside, too. We'll end this week's update with a look at some deft handling by a machine operator up around the switch building. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned next week to see what happens then.